Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to print table of a number using for loop in Python programming just like this. So let me open up the Jupyter notebook. So now we are going to print table of a number using for loop. So guys, let's take the input from the user. So we will use input function to take the input from the user in Python, and that input will be stored to variable n. And here I am passing a string, enter the number. But guys, this input function will return the value in a string, so we need to convert this value into integer. So let's use int function. And now guys, I am going to use for loop here, and I am using range function. The values of range function will be 1 and 11 because we need to use 10 also. And now I am going to use print. So first of all we need to use n, then we will use asterisk, then I, and into I. And now guys, if I run this script, it is requesting to enter a number. So let me enter the number. So I have entered 5, and if I hit enter, then output will be like this. So the working of for loop will be like this. So initially the value of I will be 1 and it will print n, the value of n is 5, into I, the value of I is 1, equals to, and into I, that is 5. And then the value of I will be 2. So now it will print 5 into 2 equals to 10. And in the next iteration the value of I will be 3, then it will print 15, and so on. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.